Benjamin Franklin has rightly said, "Tell me and I forgot. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn." This is what an MBA does. It involves you to an extent in the business world, courtesy the various case studies which we read, real life experiences, and other features of the curriculum, which makes the process of self-development easy. And the few contributors to this process is the work you do in various clubs and committees of the institute. Every club and committee provides you multiple responsibilities apart from academic activity. They organize events throughout the year, which is being solely managed by the members and coordinators of these clubs. Some of those activities are designing the process, allocating budget, and taking various permissions. Overall, it's a mix of all tasks which teaches nuances of management. From my personal experience of being the coordinator at ECEL, I say I learned a lot. Whether it was conducting guest lectures, social media posts, building connection, I can say it provided me good exposure. And I would say the key things which you learn is you will have better networking, you will have experience of event organizing, you will be involved in leadership roles as well, and doing all these things you can add few points in your resume as well. All those activities also help you in classroom learning as well. And last but not the least, it's fun working with your peers. It is not like if you're not a coordinator in any club or committee, you won't learn. You can always contribute to any club by choosing them and giving your input as a member. So the door for learning always remain open. Now talking about my B School experience and what has changed. The first thing is the thought process. Earlier, when I used to read about companies in various newspapers and articles, I tend to miss out the strategies and the brain put behind every decision. But now I am able to relate it better. Why the company has chosen this color and why they have chosen this time to enter in the market, why they have chosen strategy A over B. So your thought process improves. Next thing is you learn to present with confidence. Whichever the skill you acquire in B School, you always gain the skill of presenting well to peers. So this is certainly the change which I can say I have gained because of various classroom presentation. And it is highly regarded in corporate as well to pursue the people of your opinion. So your presentation skills improves. One more thing is the credibility. Since every businessman trusts somebody who is very credible and responsible. So when you do such kind of course, your opinions has been formed by your peers, great professors, and the project you do. So your credibility increases. From my personal experience, during my summer internship, whatever the inputs and whatever the research I have done, they respected it. And their expectations were always high. So you can see a surge in expectation as well. And from past 1 year, I have always been forced out of my comfort zone. Whether it was defending your argument in cases, doing multiple things simultaneously. So I have been pushed out of my comfort zone from past year. This is the thing which I have acquainted well in myself. And lastly, it changed my approach to the professional career as well. I have gained in-depth knowledge from various industries because of the people who have worked in those industries, which I knew very little about. In the end, I would like to thank Vani, the Literary and Public Speaking Club of IIM Amritsar, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.